Good evening, school. Good evening. My name is Confucia Kudoi from Freetown Secondary School. I'm in Form 4 Blue. I'm mentee in Kizazi Kipya Mentorship Program. I'm here to share you some tips on how to tackle mathematics. In preparation of Kizazi Kipya Mentorship Program, Project Self-Reliance, these are the 8 tips you are expected to do to tackle mathematics like an expert. Tip number 1, make time to practice each day. Make time to practice mathematics each day. Every day, make a habit to spend a minimum of 1 hour on calculating mathematics. Ensure that your personal timetable is fixed with mathematics more than 1 hour. The less time you should spend in calculating mathematics should be 1 hour. Tip number 2, start by solving examples. In every math textbook, we have examples. Never ignore the examples. Once you are doing your personal studies in mathematics and you are done with the introduction parts, try to solve the examples without looking the solution parts. When you are done with solving the examples, compare your answers with the ones in the textbook, the solution parts, and that way you are going to be an expert in mathematics. 85%. Be sure that 85% of the math examination paper comes from the examples on the textbook. So do not ignore the examples in your textbook. Tip number 3, self-evaluate yourself using past KCSE questions. Once you're done with the topic, in class or personally, you are supposed to go and self-evaluate yourself from the course book, from the KCSE Med Familia. You are supposed to tackle all the questions from the KCSE Med Familia in a specific topic that you are done. Tip number 4, clear all your doubts. Do not let your doubts be stored in your mind. Get them cleared as soon as you have doubts, and get help from the teachers, your parents, or your friends. Once you have calculated a sum in mathematics and you have doubts that the answer is not correct, go and see a teacher and clear those doubts. Tip number 5, note down all the formulas. Memorize formulas carefully. If you can't memorize them, write all the formulas on a sheet of paper. The formulas in mathematics are from Form 1 to Form 4. Once you copy them in a piece of paper, you should always have them. You should always have them when you are calculating mathematics. And in a short time, a picture of that sheet will be created in your mind. Like when every day you are doing your personal studies in mathematics, make sure you have that sheet of paper that you have copied the formulas in front of you. And in that way, you are going to familiarize with all the formulas on that sheet of paper. Tip number 6, incorrect answers carefully. You can learn a lot from your mistakes in maths. Review the process where and how you did wrong. When you have calculated a sum in mathematics and you do not understand how you've gotten the wrong answer, try and go back and review the process in which you have calculated the sum and review where you are wrong and do the correction. Tip number 7, try to help someone else. Sometimes explaining a concept to another person can help you understand it more. So when you think that you have known a sum or a topic, go to your friend and try to explain it to him. It will help you understand better. Tip number 8, take math seriously and stay motivated. Most students think that mathematics is a difficult subject and you are disregarding it. Embrace mathematics instead of disregarding it. Math is not about numbers, equations, computations, or algorithms. It is about understanding. Once you understand math and you understand the formulas, math is going to be very much easy. The expert in anything was once a beginner. So just be a beginner and you're also going to be an expert. So do lots of practice, work hard, dream big, and never give up. Thank you.